What's up, guys? Welcome to Lunch Money, the Discord server that is designed to make you money and save you money. This is a video walkthrough of our entire server, so let's get into it. When you first join the server, the first thing you're going to do is go to roles. You want to scroll through this list and react to anything that is interesting to you. That way, anytime we post information related, you will get a ping, a notification that'll pop up. You hear a little noise, and yeah, that way you don't miss anything that's related to your interest. The next thing is join bonus server. So our bonus server has some of the best stuff that we have to offer. And so yeah, let's show you that first. So you come over here and the first thing that you're going to see is our Amazon reviews. So just as an example real quick, all of this stuff that's posted, you got heated knee massages for $90, leg massages, all kinds of crazy stuff, dressers, chairs, all of this, right? All you have to do is buy this stuff on Amazon. Yes, you have to pay for it up front. But then you'll message Patrick and you leave a 5-star review on whatever you buy, and he will give you a full refund via PayPal. So essentially there's Amazon sellers out there who need 5-star reviews so they get boosted up in the ranks on the Amazon algorithm, and they're willing to literally give you free stuff in exchange for 5-star reviews for that. So it's pretty cool. Next thing, we got our food bot. So we have tons of different restaurants and all kinds of things. You get free food. Also meal kits from like Factor 75, you know, all this, everything you're reading right here. But some of the more popular ones, we get free cookies from Crumble, free Firehouse sub. That's a big one. Free Jersey Mike sub. Jersey Mike's freaking expensive. That's a big one right there. Free Krispy Kreme donuts. So you just go to the commands, type in the command that it tells you here, and it'll literally send you an email, and you get this stuff for free. You can use this as often as you want. Homework bot, that's a big one. If you're in college, you get access. I'm not a student, but I know all this stuff is really expensive to actually subscribe to. It's included with our server. So if you get answers to all of your homework and help with all that stuff. All right, let's go back to the main server, get back into it. So lunch money points, we have a point system. And yeah, so by using our points, you can get Cash App money, you can get free months to our group, etc., etc. All you have to do, we have different ways to earn points. Post a review on WAP. You can post like a profitable flip, a profitable information in our members channel. You can retweet anything we post on Twitter. You can post anything that you do in success and you'll get points. You can use those points to redeem for cash or free time in our server. All right, next up we have our important category. So we have our daily schedule. This is where so a lot of drops are they happen right away, right? They're shock drops. We don't know that they're happening until they happen. We'll ping those immediately. But we have a lot of profitable drops that are scheduled, so that you'll see this in here. We always post our scheduled drops right here, so it's easy to find. They're already in other places in our server, but we put it in one easy channel up top, so it's easy for you to know what's going on and find, because we have a lot of stuff going on in our server. Server announcements is where I'll be making any announcements that any changes that we're making to the server, mostly new stuff that we're adding. Like today we added the gaming flips channel. So yeah, make sure you pay attention. Here is all kinds of important stuff going on. Staff alerts, that's where we're going to be posting important information that's going to make you money. Like there is a $100 TV on Amazon. It's normally $400 that you have to enter for Prime Day coming up. You have to enter for a chance to be able to buy it. Same thing, a watch, $180 for a $450 watch on Prime Day. Just tons of random stuff that you're going to need to know. It's all profitable. Member alert, same thing, but it's just stuff members find. Like Dividend Digester found 5 beef sandwiches from Arby's for $5. Anything like that. Major price errors. This is one of, if not the most important channels in the entire group. Insane price errors on Amazon. Like the most recent one, look at this. Not even really sure what this is. It is a Master Equipment Superior Plumbed Bathtub. I don't know, but retail on it is anywhere from $1,300 to $2,400, depending on where you get it, looks like. And there was a price error on Amazon today. You could literally get this for $55. So you could get that for $55, resell it for massive profit, thousands of dollars to be made. Not everything is that crazy. Like this one was protein bars, right? That were normally $28 on sale for $12. So really good deals, really crazy deals on here. Tons of good stuff in here. Walmart had an error on dog food, and so it's normally $1 for one of these, and they accidentally posted 24 packs for $1.46, and it's normally $1.46 for one of them. So you get like over $30 worth of dog food for a freaking $1.46. We got those ourselves. Anyway, major price errors too. Same type of scenario. Let's see. So earlier there was, it looks like $16 for a marine bilge pump that resells for $150 to $200 on eBay. You get it. It's crazy price errors. They're happening all day, every day. Crazy stuff. Major profits or personals. Sneaker announcements, anything related to sneaker flips. Giveaways is where we give away points and money and all kinds of stuff. Freebie ACO form. So on Amazon, we run bots on Amazon that literally hit free stuff, 100% free, shipped to your door. You don't pay anything. And yeah, you sign up for an account. You just sign up, fill out the form here. We'll add your account to our bot. Like today, we hit some keratin gel. Normally $11. We hit it free for our members. And we also run 95% off or better for up to $5 max. So like we hit these $43 Bluetooth speakers for a lot of members for $1.49. This is all like today, guys. We hit all this today for our members. Drinking glasses, $30 free. Again, free as in $0 and $0 shipping. Just tons of stuff. Picture frames, all kinds. This is all like in the last 12 hours. Just what I'm showing you here. All right, so free stuff. Who does not want free stuff? The cafeteria is where all of our chats are: general chat, sneaker chat, Amazon chat. Not going to show you each of those because it's pretty self-explanatory. Success, though, is where you post everything you hit. Like there was a price error on jewelry last week, and this is members posting that they actually received it. Because a lot of groups you'll see post stuff that, you know, gets canceled. But anyway. Yeah, you see tons of success, all the stuff that are, I mean, what I just showed you, the freebies, and yeah, there's the protein bars, all kinds of good stuff. Monitors that resell on eBay for $220. I personally did this, ordered 6 of them for like $100 a piece. It was a price error. You see really crazy stuff. Hyped items. So our hype monitor is going to have all the current restocking profitable items. Like, well, I'll just show you these. Like this Magic the Gathering, Lord of the Rings bundle. These retail for $85.99. They're reselling right now, I think, for like $130, $140. Now, how would you know that? Well, I have individual channels that show everything that pings in this monitor, right? I have channels for them so you can easily see. So resale on this is $130. It costs $85.99. Even less if you have a Target Red card, which you should have. Estimated shipping $8. After fees, you're going to pay $15.90 in fees. Your total profit is going to be $20. And, you know, usually stuff like this, you want to try to hit like 3 or 4 at a time and sell in a bundle together to save on shipping. So you can imagine how much more your profit goes up if you do that. And then I include the link to get it on Target, which pings in our monitor. And then a link to eBay completed listing so you can see that it actually sells for this. This is not the same thing. Not sure what that is, but you can see, you know, it's June 27th today. So you can see there were at least 5 sold today. Yeah, 5 sold today alone for $130. So that's profit right there, guys. And every single channel we have everything profitable. We post it here, and it pings in our hype monitor channel. Price errors and methods. So listing errors, for example, Gabagool posts these, and we just hired another guy to post these too. Squish. For example, listing error on Optimum Nutrition, right? So this is $100 basically for whey protein and creatine. So you would buy this, right? And then you can see in the listing that the flavor is chocolate. But the flavor on one of these is chocolate, but this one, the creatine, is unflavored. So that's a listing error. It should have said flavored and or chocolate and unflavored, but it only said chocolate. So you're assuming the creatine's chocolate, right? So you get this in the mail, okay? And then you open a support ticket with Amazon, and you say, hey, I was expecting chocolate, I got unflavored. Well, because they do not offer, like they don't allow returns for like food and consumable items, you would literally get to keep this for free, and they give you a full refund. So that's what this channel is all about. Price errors is similar to major price errors, except for these aren't as crazy as the stuff you're going to see in major price errors. It's still, some of it's still profitable to resell, and a lot of it is really good personals. But yeah, so that's what that is. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is really cool. So this is it's a little thing you can sign up for, right? And So basically, it's like a lot of it is like little games that you can download on your phone, like apps. You do something in a game, reach level 1,000, earn 200 swag bucks, reach level 2,000, earn 800 swag bucks, blah, 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 blah. Okay. And so you essentially get paid to do this. You redeem these for swag bucks, and then you turn your swag bucks into cash. Pretty crazy, but it's legit. I do it myself. It's fun, and it's an easy way to make money. Webinars. Webinars literally is just like a webinar, right? It's just like a live video that you watch. You sign up for the webinars ahead of time, okay? And because you sit through the class and watch it, which you don't even have to pay attention. You just have to click the link and watch it while it's happening. You can literally go do something else while it's playing. They don't ask you questions. You don't have to talk or anything, but they give you free gift cards. So like here's a DoorDash gift card for this one, $25 Amazon gift card for this one. Starbucks gift card, lunch gift cards, $10 lunch gift card, Grubhub gift card. You get the point, right? All right, freebies, exactly what they sound like. Just different little stuff that you can do to get for free. I mean, most of this is like smaller stuff, but it's literally free. But like free month of Hulu, free drinks at Panera, like all kinds of cool stuff. Get a free drink every 2 hours. Sometimes you have to do something a little small to get the freebies, but a lot of it's just like literally just click it, do whatever, and get it for free. Very cool channel. Who doesn't like free stuff? Warehouse deals. That's going to be Amazon Warehouse, which is like Amazon's returns essentially. Let's see. Look at the most recent one that Gabagool posted here. This is this is $100. But you can see you can get it for $24.60 used. So some of this stuff is going to be more like for personal use, but some of it's going to be resellable for profit. Like this, like it's June right now, so you're not probably going to flip this very much. But and closer to Christmas, you probably sell this for a decent amount. You probably make a profit off of that. And as you can see, just tons of different stuff similar to that. Inbox dollars is basically the same thing as swag bucks, very similar. Cash App and Venmo, they post on Twitter and say, hey, follow Cash App and tag us and blah, 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 and we will send you free money. And it's legit. I have done this countless times over the last years, and they actually pay you. Not every single time will they pay you. They're not going to pay every single person because they have millions of people, but it's worth doing. They literally will send you money. Fuji is different giveaways that are hosted by the company Fuji. Sometimes it's trips, sometimes it's money. It could be all kinds of different, sometimes it's free products, all kinds of stuff. Sweepstakes, same thing, giveaways on Twitter, but it is not necessarily hosted by Fuji, but it's the same thing. All right. Let's see, moving down to our flips category. So ticket flips, we have Kano Suk in here. And yep, so ticket flips are huge. They are the new wave. It's the big money made in ticket flips right now. And he gives you all the information, everything you need to know. You can see his poster very in depth. What ticket flips are coming up, what to go for, how to go for it, where to sign up, where to sell it, how much to sell it for, what's profitable, what you should go for, what you should avoid. I mean, he's on top of it. This guy is fire. He's probably one of the biggest new additions that we have in our group. Banksy flips, lots and lots of profitable flips. Her most recent one, retail for $30, resell for $90. She tells you exactly when it's going to be dropping in 15 hours at noon my time on Wednesday. So that's going to be tomorrow. Gives you a link on where to go get it, and even eBay comps to prove that it really is profitable. Gaming flips is where Eon's going to be posting gaming flips. We have so basically all these channels are the same thing. It's going to be flips, just different niches, profitable flips in different niches, right? So this is trading cards like Pokemon, sports cards, things like that. We have Apex in here for hats. He is the #1 hat guy today, or looks like, yeah. Let's see. Yeah, today one that retailed for $60 is reselling for $140 to $175. He tells you exactly who, what, when, where, and why. And if you run bots, he even gives you the settings that you should be running for bots. Tells you what sizes to go for, which variant, very detailed. And same thing for Funkos, comics, vinyls, toys, and we're always going to be adding more and more to that category. In-store flips is exactly what it sounds like. BrickSeek is pretty crazy. This is like for you local. So you have crazy discounts happening, like Walmart, for example, is a big one. And so like this resells for $100 on eBay, and it's anywhere from 50 cents to $10 on sale right now. And you can click these links, put your zip code on, and see if there are any in stock at your local store. Freaking Apple TV, $208 on sale for $10, BrickSeek. So yeah, you can see lots of crazy discount stuff. There's a TV, $288 on sale for $89. Yeah, So the in-store flips, let's go look at Target. So Banksy runs this. We have a couple other providers that post in here. Newest one, retail $20, resells for $50. And you will have to go in-store and try to find these, but regardless, we have lots and lots of good stuff if that's your thing. Sneaker Hub, exactly what it sounds like. You're gonna want to scroll through here and read all this stuff. If you're into sneakers, it tells you everything about what's coming up, what's dropping, where it's dropping at, when it's dropping, how to get it, etc., etc. Amazon FBA, we are currently expanding this category, but for now we have guides, every single thing you know to get started, everything, complete guide. How to get started. We have a complete guide for everything that you need to get auto ungated in many different categories or brands. Not going to click that because our provider would kill me for showing that information to the public. And then he has different leads that he posts nonstop all day, every day. And again, this is the beginning of the FBA category. We are definitely it's going to be way bigger than this. We're working on expanding it right now. For sports betting, we have sports betting guides, and we have different guys in here who are professionals at this. They do it every day, and they make big profit. We just brought on Nifty. He's actually been with the group for several years. He's really good at this. But Gabagool and ICU Looking has been doing this for a very long time with us. They post all of their call outs every day. So you follow their calls, make money. It's that simple. These guys do a really good job. They're consistently profitable. So yeah. For deals is going to be more like your personal deals. You're not going to find too much that's like real crazy in here. Actually the food deals, the food promos, and the Uber Eat codes are all pretty good. I might move those up to the price, area, and methods category because these three are pretty good. The rest of this stuff is still good, but it's more personal deals. It's more like something that you're going to find a good deal on to keep for yourself. Not necessarily going to find too many crazy flips in here, but it's still worth looking at. You might find something that would be cheaper than going to the store and getting it, right? All right, and for tools is the last category that we have. You got eBay views. This will allow you to literally add views to your eBay listings, which will boost you in eBay's algorithms. Buyers will be able to see your listing ahead of your competitors. Same thing for Mercari. eBay Watch for Watch. Our members will post their eBay listings here, and other members in the group can go watch it, which same thing, boosts you in the algorithm. Target Stock Checker and Walmart Stock Checker, same thing. You can check to see if different SKUs are in stock at your local Walmart. And then Fee Toolkit. This is going to tell you how much fees you're going to pay on. I mean, we have StockX, eBay, Goat, Grailed, OfferUp, like everything. All the common marketplaces you're going to sell on. This is the easy place to figure out how much fees that each of them charge on average. So there you go, guys. That is a very brief rundown. I'm trying to talk fast so it doesn't take too long, but as you can see, we have a large amount of things that we have to offer in the group. So I'm going to wrap this up here, though. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. If you're looking to join our group and you're not in yet, you can join the waiting list. I'll leave it in the description. Other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. Later.